5 astonishing GPT-4o features to know about. From real-time voice interaction to vision capabilities and multilingual support, we're a step closer to Star Trek-style conversational AI. GPT-4o promises real-time voice interaction with multiple tones and voices for a more human-like experience. Vision capabilities allow GPT-4o to answer questions about photos and screenshots and should ultimately support video. May 13 sees GPT-4o joining old ChatGPT tiers, but with differences in prompt limits and voice function availability. On May 13th, OpenAI officially launched GPT-4o, its next AI model. Since GPT-4 is already the basis of much of the hype around generative AI, 4o could be poised to send shockwaves throughout the industry. Here's everything that OpenAI revealed about the new AI technology and why it's a big step forward. There's a strong focus on real-time voice exchanges with GPT-4o. The model can pick up on the tone in your voice and will try to respond in an appropriate tone of its own. In some circumstances, you can even ask it to add more or less drama to its response or use a different voice, like a robotic one for a story being told by a robot or singing for the... Perhaps more significantly, you can interrupt the AI at any time, say if it's getting a request wrong or you want to change its tone or voice midstream. Better vision capabilities and multilingual support. GPT-4o can also answer questions about photos and desktop screenshots. These may be similar to ones you'd ask Meta, Ray-Ban smart glasses, or the Humane AI pin, something like what brand of pants are these, but are potentially more complex, such as explaining a block of app code or translating a restaurant menu. OpenAI says that down the road, 4o may be capable of even more complicated tasks, such as watching live sports and explaining the rules involved. For now, the focus appears to be on static images rather than video. Generating images with legible text has long been a weak point of AI, but GPT-4o appears more capable in this regard. Text can not only be legible but arranged in creative ways, such as typewriter pages, a movie poster, or using poetic typography. It also appears to be adept at emulating handwriting, to the point that some prompts might create images indistinguishable from real human output. Text can not only be legible but arranged in creative ways, such as typewriter pages, a movie poster, or using poetic typography. You can even ask 4o to include doodles in the modules. In a way, this may actually be the biggest advancement. OpenAI has traditionally gated the most cutting-edge versions of GPT, but 4o is free to every ChatGPT user from the start. The main limitations are on real-time voice conversation, which is being restricted to Plus subscribers once it actually rolls out, and the number of prompts you can use.